Welcome to More Sound. Today we are reviewing the Ameriphone Wake Assure alarm clock with power control and bed shaker. Model number LR97957. It runs on 120 volts AC. Basically mains voltage, and also has a 9-volt battery for backup. Here, power control. Yep. You can hear your fan turned on in the background. I can show it running. And now I'm going to set the alarm clock and wait for it to go on. This might take a while. It's really loud. Fan should be kicking on. It's like a synthesizer. That's the end of our review of this Ameriphone Wake Assure digital alarm clock with power control and bed shaker outputs. Thank you for watching. Please check out our other products and our stores. They will be linked in the description. Also, subscribe to the More Sound YouTube channel. We currently only have about 60 subscribers. That will help us get more traction. Goodbye. This is Gare Moore, signing off.